Don't forget that a camera's overall performance will also vary depending on the lens you use. As a general rule, it's better to invest in a less expensive camera body and higher quality lenses than it is to invest in an expensive camera body and cheap lenses. Finding the perfect cameras for beginners can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best cameras for beginners' trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is the best digital camera for beginners who've never used a camera before. That's all thanks to its unique interactive guide mode. Built right into the mode dial, the guide mode walks you through the camera's features in simplified terms so you can learn the ropes of photography as you go. While it doesn't have all of the extra features you'll find on newer, more advanced mirrorless models like the Canon EOS R50, the D3500 does have an excellent high-resolution sensor that punches above its class, plus a ton of high-quality lens options and a much longer battery life than mirrorless alternatives. With that said, the D3500 has been discontinued and is harder to find new, so you'll likely have to pick up a used model. If you can find one, though, older DSLRs like this or previous iterations like the Nikon D3400 or D3300 are great, cost-effective options to dip your toe into serious photography. Overall, the D3500's guide mode and simple design make it the best choice for those who've never used a camera. Number 2. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is the best camera for photography beginners on a budget. With a highly portable body, it's easy to take with you wherever you go. Like the Canon EOS R10 above, its simple controls and intelligent auto mode make it a good fit for anyone upgrading from their smartphone. Plus, its autofocus system is quite reliable, with a range of subject detection modes to ensure your subject stays in focus, no matter where your interests lie. It's also a solid choice for video and vlogging, with 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second and surprisingly advanced video specs for the price. That said, this camera doesn't have the longest battery life for video that if you want something more portable for travel, the Olympus OMD M10 Mark IV is another great budget camera. The R50 is a bit cheaper and has a more effective autofocus system, but the Olympus is part of the Micro Four Thirds system, which offers more lens options and makes for a more portable overall kit. The Olympus is also one of the very few budget options to feature IBIS for steadier handheld shooting. Number 3. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is the priciest camera on our list, but it's also the best digital camera for beginners that we've tested. This is a great camera for both photography and light video work. Its balanced feature set makes it a good fit for both beginners and more advanced users looking to upgrade from an older camera or DSLR. Like most of Canon's entry-level offerings, it has a lightweight feel, great ergonomics, and an intuitive, beginner-friendly interface. It's well-suited to a range of photography styles, with a high-res sensor, quick burst shooting, and one of the best autofocus (AF) systems you'll find among entry-level cameras. The biggest downside here is that Canon's RF lens lineup is still relatively new, so lens options are somewhat limited, especially on the APS-C front. If you want a camera with a more established lens ecosystem, the Fujifilm X S10 is another fantastic entry-level camera. It's one of the few cameras in its price range to feature in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which can help you reduce camera shake when shooting handheld. That said, its autofocus isn't nearly as reliable as the Canon's, and it's been discontinued, so it'll be harder to find one new. Number 4. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a good choice for those who prioritize build quality and ergonomics. It's the only model on this list that's weather-sealed, providing some added peace of mind when shooting outdoors, and it feels very well built for a starter camera. Nikon cameras are also known for their excellent ergonomics, with well-placed controls and large hand grips. Beyond that, the camera has a tilting screen that can flip down for selfies and a large high-res viewfinder for a clear view of your subjects. While the Z50 doesn't have the highest resolution sensor among its peers, it still delivers excellent image quality and performs well in low light. It's also a good choice for action photography, thanks to a quick burst rate and a decent autofocus system, though it isn't as effective as the AF on the Canon EOS R10 above. Just be aware that lens support is still relatively limited for Nikon's mirrorless Z mount, especially if you're considering APS-C options. If you want more lens selection, the similarly priced Sony α640 has a ton of native and third-party lens options and feels well-constructed, though its ergonomics and user interface leave a lot to be desired. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7/2000. If you want something truly cheap and prefer to avoid buying used, the Canon EOS Rebel T7/2000D is the most affordable DSLR Canon offers. It's the best camera for beginners on a very tight budget. While the price is the real draw here, this is a very back-to-basics camera with few bells and whistles, so you won't find a tilting screen or even 4K video recording here, let alone more advanced features. Why are we recommending this ultra-basic DSLR from 2018? Because if this is the only camera on the list that you can afford, then it's worth it if it gets you out there shooting. It may not have features like IBIS or advanced subject detection modes, but it does have a high-resolution APS-C sensor that can capture beautiful photos, along with a well-established lens ecosystem. Many of Canon's EF/EFS lenses are also quite affordable for beginners and budget shooters, making it easier to upgrade whenever you outgrow the kit lens. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.